people get sick or how people get sick. So the first thing I would say about that is what I learned in 35 years of doing medicine is what we call sick is incorrect. So let me give you an example. You get a splinter in your finger and you don't take it out. What happens next?
It gets infected and it gets worse.
Not infected. How do you know it's infected? Just I always tell people when they talk to me, think like a 6-year-old. You don't know. Just what do you see? Red, swollen pus, right? You agree?
Yeah.
Okay. And then what happens? The splinter comes out. So is the red pus, swelling, pain, is that the therapy or is that a disease?
It's your body trying to remove the splinter.
It's the therapy for the splinter. That's how your body gets rid of splinters. It's not an infection. That's an abstract concept. So what about if we put debris in your lungs, like smoke and particulate matter and chemtrail dust and, what happens next?
I'll definitely feel terrible.
And you get a cough, right?
Yes.
And mucus.
Yes.
And you try to cough up the mucus.
Yes.
And they go to the doctor and he says you have bronchitis.
Yes.
Is the cough, mucus, feel terrible? Is that the therapy for the debris or is that a disease?
Yeah, I see what you're saying. So your body is trying to get rid of that toxin.
Right, so it coughs it out.
Yes.
So only a fool would try to keep it in your body, or a medical doctor. So you can see that what we call disease is actually your body's attempt to heal. So a lot of people have houses, and a lot of people have like an entrance or a foyer to their house. So what if somebody comes and puts a whole lot of stinky garbage in your foyer? What do you do next?
Well,
Remember, you're a 6-year-old.
I'll take it out.
How? I want details.
Okay, so I'll go to it. I'll pick it up and I'll take it outside to the bin or whatever.
Yeah, you put it in a bag.
Yeah.
Scoop it up, put it in a bag, take it to the garage. And then when the garbage people come, you take it out to the curb and they pick it up, right? Okay, what if somebody puts garbage in the house called your body? What do? You
would do the same thing in a sense.
Put it in a bag.
Yes.
Called a tumor. And that's stinky garbage. And then you would take it out to the curb. That's called detoxification, sweating, pooping, diarrhea, coughing, etc. But what if they keep putting garbage in your house and then your garage gets full? Then you put it in the spare bedroom. And then you can't take it out fast enough. And then you put it in the living room. And then the kitchen, and then the master bedroom, and then your wife leaves you, and then you have to move. So same thing, you put garbage in your body, or your house called your body, you put it in your breast or your prostate, and then that gets full, and then you put it in your liver and your brain and your bones.